In 2024, Samsung is expected to unveil the highly anticipated Galaxy Tab S10 generation. These sleek and powerful tablets are likely to make their debut in the summer of 2024, alongside the next generation of the Galaxy Z Fold and Flip foldables. While specific details about the Galaxy Tab S10 family are scarce at this early stage of 2024, we can anticipate that rumors and leaks will start to surface in the coming months, based on past patterns. According to recent regulatory filings, it is suggested that Samsung may launch 3 variants of the Galaxy Tab S10: the Galaxy Tab S10, Tab S10 Plus, and Tab S10 Ultra, possibly in July. Historically, these tablets and foldables have opted for Snapdragon chipsets, but there might be a twist this time. A Naver leaker has hinted that Samsung is considering a dual AP approach for the Galaxy Tab S10 series. While it's unclear which SKU will receive which AP, if we look at the Galaxy S24 series as a reference, we can speculate that the Galaxy Tab S10 and Tab S10 Plus could be equipped with an Exynos 2400, while the Tab S10 Ultra might be the only one featuring a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. If Samsung continues with its global AP strategy, it is possible that all versions of the Galaxy Tab S10 will launch with Snapdragon chips in regions like the US, China, and Japan. However, the company's decision to use Exynos chips whenever feasible is likely driven by cost-cutting measures. Last year, Samsung reportedly spent a staggering $8.87 billion on mobile APs, which is not ideal considering the company has its own mobile AP division and foundry. Additionally, the larger size of tablets will allow Samsung to effectively cool the Exynos 2400 with larger vapor chambers and other cooling mechanisms, which could help address any performance issues traditionally associated with Exynos chips. Now, I'm curious to hear your thoughts on Samsung's choice to utilize Exynos chipsets for the upcoming Galaxy Tab lineup. Share your opinions in the comments section below, and for more updates, don't forget to check out our channel. Until next time, take care and peace out.